Warning, some viewers may find the following footage deeply disturbing.
Hey everyone, hopefully I've been able to get rid of the traffic noise. If you've ever wondered why school buses stop at every railroad crossing, We are at the reason why. Back on December 1st, 1938, there was a train hit bus accident pretty much right here where we're standing. There were 23 dead?
24.
24 dead, 15 survivors. Most of those survivors were still scarred for life, either physically or mentally or both. I just want to make it quite clear, we are doing this in assistance for a documentary about, you've heard the stories, you put baby powder on the back of your car and kids push your car. That all started because of the incident here. We're totally out of here out of respect. We aren't here to cause any problems. We're not here to, talk bad about the dead. We're just here to see if maybe something lingers here. And if it does cause any precedents for those, stories and urban legends from across the United States. So I hope you all enjoy this. Thanks for watching and have a good night.
If there are any spirits here from the bus accident, from the bus that got hit by the train in 1938, we'd like to communicate with you and ask you some questions. We mean no harm, no disrespect. If you'd like to come through, Chelsea here. She is blindfolded and she has earbuds in. She cannot hear us. She cannot see us. She will solely sit here and feel and communicate with you if you would like to come forward.
We got another train coming.
This is an active train track as well. Railroad track. And that might be the last one for the night. Oh, spirits. Don't know if there's a train coming, but I feel like I am vibrating.
Can't move the train.
I know, yeah.
Since you felt something vibrating.
Spirits, we're here to talk with you and communicate. If anyone's here. We came to find out more about the bus accident. If anyone's here that was involved in that. There's a Harold here over by the tracks. Harold, do you want to come closer and talk with us?
What's that? Okay, talk to children.
Loss. There was a big loss here, yes, of young children.
It's crazy.
If you did walk over a little closer.
Are you one of those children?
It's really weird. It's like all of a sudden I'm seeing a red light.
Oh, whoa. Lights just went off.
Remember she did that too.
A red light? Harold, are you trying to show me something?
Is that like a brake light?
He is, but not holding a clear image of it.
Is it poking the eye?
Can you use one of the devices around us to help give you some energy to give the image easier for you? Yeah, I have this device here. You want to help? I'll set it down. The energy from these devices can help you. You see a window? Communicate better. Like one of those metal ones. It's just the outline is white. Like if it was painted white around the glass of the window. Harold, were you involved in the accident that was here? I don't think he wants to talk anymore right now. He kind of just. Harold, do you have any messages for your family? This is your opportunity to say something. Thank you, Harold. You can come back and talk to us later if you like.
She said he didn't want to talk.
Mike, Jesse. There's a couple more back there. Is Is there anyone here from that bus and train accident that would like to communicate?
I think Jessie was a little girl. I see like a yellow sundress.
It's gotta be something else.
Kind of like reddish hair, maybe. Let's say, Jessie, how old are you? About 7? Do you want to come closer and talk with us? It's okay.
83 years.
You can tell the others to come talk to us too. We don't mean any harm.
Said 83 years.
Bob?
Oh shit, I got my flash on. 82 years.
Come back.
It's 82 years this
Mike,
year.
do you want to come talk to us?
Did you get were you
No, he
dragged
just kinda wants
behind
to
the
stay
train
back
or
by the
under the
trees.
train? Found?
It
Did
kind
they
of feels
find
like
your body?
You know, it's getting weird.
despair. Maybe a little bit of anger. I can't hear her. Possibly a teenager. Maybe 17?
I got a Kate. Kate.
Is there a K here? Terry?
I'm gonna check the list of names.
Here, I got a Robert over here. Older male. Round in the face.
Oh, there is a Robert.
Scruffy,
Robert Hanson.
like
Edgar
peppered beard, like he's
was
starting to show age
one
in
of the
his hair.
students.
Oh, he was
The gray and
She's picking up an adult Robert.
Yeah.
Robert, were you part of the accident? Or possibly the people that came to help and this was a memory for you?
Got fear again.
Not just when
Nice.
She got another yes.
I feel a lot of
Another
panic.
yes.
Like
Another
he's
yes.
showing me panic and he's like,
Oh, is it?
Simultaneously here. It says cable and do.
I wonder if we got a.
And that says yes.
I got fear.
Two, cable and do.
Robert, you're no longer stuck in the bus anymore.
And that's a yes again.
It's okay to move on
Is this
if
a
we
kid?
need to.
The kids that died?
Is this Harold?
I would
No
like to talk
response.
to the bus driver.
Harold, are you
But
here?
still just kind of,
Farrell, come
He's
through,
doing-
please.
We don't blame you for what happened, Harold. We just want to speak with you.
Harold, we want to know, were you unable to see the train? Is that how it happened?
I got a Taylor over here.
Taylor.
You understand it was an accident?
Taylor, can you tell me something about yourself? Monson? Is that your last name, Taylor? Monson?
Monson?
What?
Possibly.
Is there anyone still here that needs help moving on?
Fears come up a couple
It's
of
weird.
times.
It's like they all went quiet. They're just standing here watching us.
You can watch us, that's fine. I know it's weird for people to come here, but we came here just to speak to you. I mean, I don't blame them.
Yeah, they don't seem like they want to talk
Stand
anymore
over me.
right now.
Want to communicate from a distance?
Okay, well, we have lots of other devices we'll try and use tonight if you want to try that way, okay?
You can communicate to us through this device.
Mike, you can come down and talk to us later if you want to. I'll go ahead and close.
Good. Oh, city's cold.
Cheryl, Denise, and Chad I got when I was closing.
Cheryl, Denise, Chad.
Cheryl, Denise, Chad. Oh, the lights just went off. They just went off again.
Not on this list.
Could be from other stuff. Because
Yeah.
earlier I felt an accident over there on the freeway.
Oh, yeah, you could get residual
yeah.
activity from deaths,
Accidents.
car accidents.
There's a creek right here too.
George River.
Oh yeah. Oh, a lot of bodies.
Who's here? Yeah, I know. I'm here. Who else? The dead? Yes. Who are the dead?
My blood.
I think I said Bobby.
Well, I heard Bob earlier.
Is Bobby Robert?
Bob.
Bob. Yeah, but who's Robert? Me.
Step on my foot.
It's a lot of kids' voices there.
Do you know anything about urban legends
Yeah, we're standing right
related to train accidents?
Can you turn the light on the green for me?
Ask it again.
Said I don't. But
Don't.
Do people disturb your peace? If any spirits from the train crash with the bus are here, do you know that your deaths are connected to urban legends across the country? What about the tragedy that happened to you? Do you think is connected to the urban legends?
That was a straight up yep. Before you even finished it.
Do you hold anyone responsible for your death?
Where's Brett?
I'm not sure.
That's what I thought.
It didn't like give a name.
Do you forgive who is responsible for your death? How do you feel about us talking to you right now? I heard here. Has anyone else tried to talk to you?
The last something, I think.
What do you think about the paranormal community?
Is it dumb?
I
Might have said
almost
dumb.
said dumb.
I thought it said.
Not sure, but I'll know later. So where's Bob? Here where?
Bob, can you show yourself?
Are you the one that's by the light over there?
Yeah, who are you? Something about a red light. Didn't you say something about a
My
red
whole
light?
vision went red like it was red.
And there's a red light right there.
Oh.
That's a red light.
Wow.
What about
Looks
the red
orange on the
light?
corner, but it is definitely red.
It just said light.
Are you standing by any of us? Can you say our names?
I'm trying.
Did you know Zach is pretty close to the tracks? Should he be that close?
I think it just said your name.
I got a .5.
Is that you, Harold? You've been hanging out on that side.
How many people died in the bus accident? It said 24.
Yeah.
While I was asking the question, I'm almost positive it said 24.
How many people
15?
survived?
Can you give us a name of one of the survivors from the bus accident?
Okay, we're going to try to talk to you in another way. Do you have anything else to say?
Yeah, thank you for talking with us.
Thank you.
Thank you, spirits.
Goodbye.
All right, let's do an Estes. At least that way I can block out the... Yes. I guess it wants me to do an Estes. Okay. They died. First thing it says, they died.
Who died? Who's here with us right now?
I'll stay here. Can't see in the dark, but I'm having trouble. That was a very long sentence.
That was long.
That's interesting.
Well, there's lots of lights around here. Can you see through with the lights?
The leaving time of the trains.
Yeah.
Okay. So you're down there by the station?
Fell from the balcony.
Oh.
Fell from the balcony? Is that what he said?
Yeah. Are you a recently passed spirit?
It went shh, like be quiet.
For the person who fell from the balcony, can you tell us what year that happened?
At the red light.
Okay.
Can you call? I'm ready.
Any of the spirits here that we talked to tonight?
Sarah.
Sarah.
I think we're stuck.
Do you need some help?
The men can't help me.
What man? What's his name?
I looked up at, and then it didn't say anything after that.
Is it something in the sky that you see?
Said Chelsea, and then I couldn't make out the rest.
Is it the thing you tried to show me earlier?
Here somewhere? I'm not normally here.
Were you involved in the accident? Who said that?
There are more getting there.
Are there more coming to speak with us?
Are the children of the bus driver
Do you know where he is?
from the 19th?
But it didn't say who.
Here?
Is Mike still here?
Hopefully.
Can someone tell us about the bus accident that happened? Were any of you here when it occurred?
They all died quickly.
Wow.
Very gruff male voice.
Is that Farrell?
Harold, is that you?
Can you tell us how they died quickly?
Some could not be identified. That's interesting.
There's two, right? Two. Okay.
Harold, are you still here? You spoke to me earlier.
Harold, your name is on the list of one of the children.
I know it's you.
See the do you have any living family still?
Said something about the police showed up and then, yeah.
What was the last thing that you remember?
I can tell you the story. That was an adult female, though.
And we hope all of the children.
Which one are you?
We hope everyone is at peace.
I come to find out.
Do you have any messages?
Who was the officer?
There is the name of the officer from that arrived on scene in one of the articles.
Somebody Barlow.
Are there any spirits here from car crashes on the I-15 or the Jordan River?
Sad for and nothing.
It's so weird. I really thought it was interesting.
All I know is, and then it didn't say anything after that,
What do you know?
they will pay for this time coming.
Who will?
Is anyone from the accident still here with us and like to talk?
Boy, she's a pretty one.
Oh, thank you.
Yes, she is.
That was like an adult male.
Is this Harold?
Yes, I make
This-
pretty babies.
Robert?
You all are strange.
Yes, we're out here talking to you in the middle of the night.
In the cold.
Middle of the night. Yeah.
Can you tell us your name?
The rest are somewhere.
Are they back that way a little bit?
Kinda.
Yeah. That's where most of us is
Down toward that white light.
7-year-old came, didn't say anything after that.
Jesse was 7 years old.
It was my best friend.
Was that Jesse?
You're not listening, I said.
Well, I don't know what she said.
What
The
time?
children will come.
Okay. Well, they can come up here and talk to us.
We're all here.
We're all here.
Can you tell us all of your names?
Do you need us to help you?
It's like, couldn't make it out.
We can help you if you're stuck, if you want to move on.
They're afraid of the corridor.
The freeway.
Oh.
They're kinfolk. North of... No.
Are you trying to reach out to your families?
Said Denise.
I got Denise.
Yes,
Yes, Denise.
No, as I was
Something
closing,
about-
I got Denise,
Park City.
Todd, and something. Yeah, as I was closing, I got Denise.
Well, something about a lunchbox and he stole mine. Little kid.
But in the report there were school papers, backpacks, lunch boxes just strewn everywhere.
Yeah.
The parents had to walk around and pick up all of this stuff.
Some little kid just went, "Woo-hoo."
I'm wondering, do you know anything about other accidents? Maybe bus accidents or train accidents somewhere else?
I'm moving on to reunite.
That's
Good.
great.
Do any of you children try to push cars?
But I've got
onto the track?
photos. Photos for you.
If someone stops on the tracks, do you try to push them
Not gonna
off?
repeat that. Somebody's alive in Germany. They went there.
If we pulled our truck onto the train tracks right now, would you try to push it out of the way?
Getting nothing now.
There's some legends that people have said when they park their car here, it'll move by itself. Is that something one of you spirits do?
It's all just music now and commercials.
It's really weird because I feel like it's
All right, I'll go ahead and cut this.
Yeah.
Died down. Everything.
It's quieted down, basically.
yeah, it feels dead.
I all of a sudden I was getting nothing.
Yeah.
But that little kid that came through went, "Woo-hoo," just
Yeah,
like
shit.
that. It was so cute.
I think we were talking about lunch boxes or something. Then that happened.
All right.
Let's wrap it up.
You ask all your questions?
Sit down.
I mean,
Thank you, spirits, for communicating with us.
Thank you.
You
I
did
heard
get
stuff.
Denise, which
Yeah.
is who I got when I was closing.
Oh, I couldn't hear you when you were closing. I didn't know what you said.
I heard Denise Carroll and something.
Yeah, I got Denise, Chad, and someone else.
Thanks, Carol.
I don't remember.
That was the only name that I heard, I think, was Denise.
I think you said a couple. Oh, you got a 7-year-old, and that was Jessie. Remember, I said
Oh.
Jessie. She was about 7.
Could be. It was mostly female children. I don't think the one that stole the lunch box was definitely a boy.
That's crazy.
Taylor, I think, was a girl.
But yeah, that was definitely a boy. Something about my lunchbox and he stole it.
Yeah, that's pretty. Yeah,
That's
that's pretty direct right there. I don't know about.
Hey everyone, we are wrapped up here tonight at the train tracks here in Sandy, Utah. We watch really closely. Train's about to go by. We got a decent investigation here. It is very loud, as you can hear. And that's the full size train. Well, I hope you all enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Have a good night.
Madam Chelsea appears. I gotta do the Dracula where it's like,
No, no, we don't say that. I did that when she was little.
Black girl, blah, blah, blah. It's cold as balls. It's cold as ice.
Not that cold.
Sacrifice my love.
Okay, switching hands. I don't know why he trusted to put this in my hands.
Oh, what are you doing?
My hair!
This was like me. I was vacuuming yesterday and I got my ponytail sucked up into the
No, that was I guess today. I just remember.
Outro and then we'll roll. Pack it
Yeah,
up.
because me and Chelsea are going to pee ourselves. And you know me, I got the mama bladder.
I just have weak bladder. Stop talking about it. I gotta go more now.
I'm sorry.
I tried to at least.